friends, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is the same channel, just a different room entirely. I am still working on the room, the audio, so please bear with me these next few videos as I figure everything out here. But I am back. I am here doing one of my favorite videos that you guys know I love to do, my Boxycharm. What's in the box? Yes, I have moved. I am in Florida, and if you only watch my Boxycharm videos, yes, this is delayed because I moved, but you may have missed that I moved into a customized tiny house. I am currently in my brand new beauty space, and I am so excited to be sitting down to film for you, even if there's still a few things to work out, so please bear with me these next few weeks. Now let's just dive into this little baby because I am delayed thanks to my move. If you are new to my channel, or you just can't remember how I do my Boxycharm unboxings, I have a twist on how I do so many of my videos. My Boxycharm videos are my favorite though, because what I do is, yes, I get into this baby, I tell you what I got, but I also tell you what people online are saying about the products. Are they any good? Are they crap? Should we just declutter them? Or are they amazing and we don't know how we lived without them? Let's find out. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every week. And I'm working on getting back on schedule, guys, so bear with me. This month, we are Caribbean Queens, according to the card, and it's another brochure layout. I'm not sure how I like these as much compared to the normal cards. I have been able to try some of these products for days and days now, so let's just dive in. I'm gonna give you my thoughts, but also, what are people saying online? We're gonna get into that. This time, I'm just gonna go in the order things are on the card, and the first thing that I'm going to be talking to you about was probably the thing we were all really excited to get. This fantastic palette, which actually Gabby, who works at Boxycharm, has made herself. This is her brand, her company, and I was really excited to try this, and the day I'm filming this is yesterday was 4th of July, and I wore a lot of these shades. I honestly have seen zero Boxycharm videos. I have not been able to look in comments before. I have no idea what anyone's saying about any of these products, but especially this one, because this one I thought was pretty fantastic. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today, but I have no idea what everybody else is saying. I have no idea what you guys think right now. I've been in the dark for so long. I am wearing the shades Coco Taxi, Tropico, La Costa, and El Macon on my eyes today. I'm actually also wearing Selena on my eyes today. I've worn a lot of these shades already in the days leading up to this, just to kind of get an idea of how I felt about it. So let's see what everybody's saying online. I like it. I think it's really blendable. Yesterday I wore the shade, I may say these names wrong and I'm so sorry. Varadero? The blue shade. I wore the blue shade yesterday. And it was beautiful under my eyes, but super pigmented. I almost wasn't expecting it to be as pigmented as it was. I've used this both with my fingers, brushes, and wet brushes to kind of get a better look. I really like using La Costa. I know it says to use it wet. I like to use that with my finger, actually. Same with El Malcon. It says you could use it wet. I'm sure it looks beautiful that way, but I also like to use my fingers for that as well. I don't have video footage of me trying these on yet, guys, because again, I've been moving, so sorry. As you can tell, I have blank space is still in my beauty space. I have furniture delivering today and next week as well, so bear with me again as the look of this place changes. Now I'm gonna go over here to Boxycharm's Instagram to see what people are saying about this little baby. Alamar Cosmetics is such a pretty name, too. Mrs. Tori White says, I am loving this palette, Boxycharm. Thank you so much. Oh, shoot. Some people are saying that their palettes came broken. I'm so lucky mine is not broken at all. Some people are saying their individual pieces are cracked even, just like maybe 1 or 2 shades. Okay, so Stephanie XXO said, I love this palette. The shadows blend out so well. I love that it has neutrals, but also bright, beautiful colors. Congratulations again, Gabby. I totally agree, because it doesn't really have like a light brown shade or anything to kind of go in my crease. I had no problem still starting my eye looks out with Coco Taxi. I could probably have done the same thing down here with this beautiful brown shade. It's got some nice mattes and metallics, which I thought were, the metallics I was just like oohing and eyeing over the first moment I tried them on. Vintage Scrappy Girl said, love this palette. The colors are so gorgeous and pigmented. Have been using almost every day since I got my box. Thank you so much, Boxycharm. I have been using this a lot. Like, I already moved this to my new makeup vanity over here, and I was like, wait, pull it back out. I have to talk about it still. Because I was like ready to put this in my collection. Emily Rose said, I was so nervous to try this palette, but it shocked me. Every color looks fantastic and the pigment is definitely there. Great job, Eyeliner and Boxycharm. That is super exciting. Ooh, so, okay, Restoring Grace said this palette is not good for someone with hooded eyelids. It does not stay on and it wastes a lot of product, sad face. Have any of you had that problem? I'm really curious. So Tyron Body said, I have literally no idea what to do with this palette based on its odd combination of colors, but I'm glad to see it's a mix-up of shades in the box finally. I created this look today. I've created a lot of different looks. The ones I'm seeing the most of is putting the blue underneath and then some of these fiery shades in your crease and then putting one of these on your lid. That's what I did today. I'm seeing a lot of that on Instagram. But I'll see if I can come up with some other looks for you guys in future videos if you want. Everyone is saying that the formulas are amazing and that they blend so well. I totally agree. I'm super impressed, especially with this being like her first product. Amazing. Great job, Gabby. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you have hooded eyes? Do you not love it? If you have hooded eyes, can you make it work? I'm curious. I really, really liked this so far. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is something you're going to see I'm not wearing because I can't find my lash glue. I did just move, but this is the Monroe Silk Lashes from Baddington, and they look really nice. I've actually never seen lashes stacked like this. I mostly see them side to side, so I was like, well, that's kind of cool. Again, I could not put them on for you today because I can't find my lash glue. I'm gonna have to go buy more or do a little bit more digging through my boxes. Moving sucks. So let me see what I can find for you guys. Smiley Gaz said on Instagram, they're incredible and I am so not okay with being in love with eyelashes that are $28 for future purchases. Crying face heart. They're that good. I'm excited now. Oh, somebody else just said, if you're gonna send lashes, could you send lash glue? Normally I would be like, oh, well, I have lash glue, but this is the one time I don't have lash glue because I just moved. So that wouldn't have been a problem for me either if they would have had some in the box. No M's 5 said, I did not like these lashes. They felt so heavy and stuffy. My eyelashes were relieved when I took them off. And that has 11 likes. And then Joel's baby mama said, I had the same feeling. I could not keep them on for that long. Interesting. Do you guys have that problem? Danny said, nope, nope, nope. I couldn't do anything with these lashes. I'm giving them to a friend. Sounds like they were frustrating for some people. Okay, so A Voyage said, didn't like these crying face. Some lashes ripped off the strips as I was taking them out with my tweezers. That's never happened to me before. And then 2 people below her said mine ripped too. Ooh, that's so disappointing for $28 lashes. Oh, someone else is saying they don't know which one is the right and the left lash once they take them off because they look the same. Ooh. And I could see why they have that issue. Maybe it doesn't matter. I'm gonna guess they're universal because there's not a right and left lash is my guess. Do you guys think so too? I've not tried them on yet, obviously, but I hadn't even thought about that because I haven't been able to put them on. They're probably ambidextrous. They go to either side. Doesn't matter. I would guess. Ooh, tell me your thoughts on these. Since I've not been able to try them yet, I don't really know how to feel about them yet, but stay tuned for a future video because you know I will fully review them. I just don't have lash glue right now. Do you love them? Tell our friends below. Did you have some issues? Did you not have issues? Now I'm curious. Okay, the Bum Bum Cream. This was the next thing in the box, and I was pretty excited about this because I saw spoilers knowing we were going to be getting something from this brand. And I've never had anything from this brand, but oh my gosh. I mean, I'm in Florida now, but I feel like I'm really in Florida now because of this. This smells amazing. I loved using it. I even had my husband smell it. I'm like, okay, is this too much of an intense smell for you? For me to wear it? And he's like, no, I really like that smell. And I was like, okay, good. But I've been having some dry skin issues, dry elbows and whatnot, so this smells so good. Somebody replied to a picture of this on Instagram and said, so I just gave them all of my money. Thanks for introducing me to them, Boxycharm. I'm guessing she made far more purchases after getting this, which I can't blame her. I love how it feels and I love how it smells. Although the smell's pretty intense, so if you're sensitive to smells, you may not like this. Okay, well, Amy Lifts Weights just said, I am ridiculously obsessed with this smell. I never want to not smell like this again. I bought the big cream and 2 body sprays since then. Wow. Obsessed, will be buying a boatload with a bunch of heart emojis, says Forever Shaden. I'm obsessed with this cream, best thing in the box, love it. I love this cream. Oh my gosh, I'm just scrolling through. Everybody loves that we all smell like summer now. I love it too. There's just raving reviews all over of this. Do you love this? Do you have a reason you don't love this? Tell us below, because so far, winning. Totally winning. Oh my gosh. I can't not smell like this. It smells so good. Ooh, the next thing in the box is something I was really excited about. Lexi Brushes. You guys know, if you watch my channel religiously, I love Lexi Brushes. I was introduced to them a couple years ago from Boxycharm. I have them all that they've ever given us. Obsessed. So it actually took me a while to use these. One, because I've been moving and not wearing, you know, a full beat every day. But also, I wanted to make sure I used them for what they're recommended for to give you a better idea. So I would start with the Precision Foundation Brush. And at first I wasn't too sure because the shape of this is pretty small and I wasn't sure. It did a great job with the powder foundation that I put on. Really well job. I used the Pure 4-in-1 powder foundation with this and I really liked that. I can tell you then that, okay, so the Duo Fiber one, I've gone back and forth about this one because this one in itself, you can kind of see, is a little bit more compact and it's got a little, it's not as dense as I was hoping it was going to be, honestly. So I actually preferred this for my powder contour. I liked to use this with my Park Avenue Princess Contour, the powder, because that worked really well back here. That's what I liked this the most for. I didn't like using it for many other powders than that so far, but you know I'll give you updates. And the highlighting brush, this is a tapered 522 highlighting brush. Really love this. I loved how well it packed on the highlight just on the edge here and I could control it. I even use this one for the nose and I don't always use this same brush for the face that I use for the nose, and it did a great job. I was pretty impressed. But let's go see what they're saying online, because you know there's always something going on with brushes and bristles. Let's dig into it. Oh, how much are these? These are $42? Whoa. So glad I have Boxycharm. $21 a month. These are $42. Like, hello, love. Okay, so I just got to Instagram's picture of these, and oh, how you doing there? It's one of our little piggy banks. I don't know if he's gonna stay there, but he's really cute, right? My girl Stevie's girl was on their Instagram and said, love these brushes with heart eyes. I agree with you, Stevie, like usual. So many people are saying they're subscribing because of this brush trio. Makeup by Devi says, I love these brushes. Favorite brushes, says Ellie. Everybody's wanting to know if they subscribed today, which was like a week ago, would they get these brushes? I'm gonna go over to Facebook just because sometimes you get a little different reviews on Facebook. So I'm gonna jet over there really quickly and see if anyone's saying anything different. Okay, so Brandy Giles on Facebook said, I was so excited for these brushes because we have several Luxie brushes already and they're my favorite. These feel cheap to me. I don't know if the foundation brush just isn't something I would use. My other foundation brushes are bigger, flat, and more dense. Maybe I'm used to that and I'm wrong. Is it supposed to be for a powder or a liquid? Question mark. And then people replied to her saying, ooh, that they didn't like the foundation brush either. I'm gonna use it as a powder brush to set her face. So I did try that. I tried to use the foundation brush as a powder for my whole face, and I didn't like that because I like a thicker brush for that. So what I ended up doing again was just using this with like my Pure 4-in-1 powder foundation. It just does take a lot longer because it's a smaller brush, but it is fairly densely packed and it does have that dome shape at the top, which is nice. I just don't know if I'd reach for this all the time, but I didn't think it was bad. Teresa said, I noticed the foundation brush wasn't as expected. I tried it with powder foundation and it worked well with that. I definitely wouldn't use it with liquid though. I haven't used it with liquid, to be honest. Have you guys used this particular brush with liquid and did you like it? Did you dislike it? Did you see strokes on your face? Tell us below. I'm curious about that too. A lot of other people saying they just love this brush trio, but I really like Lexi brushes, so it would take a lot for me to not like them. I'm going to talk about something I'm not a huge fan of now in the box, and that is this is the Jante Blue Charcoal Eyeliner Pencil. I attempted to put this on just like the back end of my eye look today, and it just wasn't crayoning out. I'm not a huge fan of wooden pencils for eyeliners. I've mentioned that before on here, but I liked the Jante Blue lip liner, so I was going to give this a go. And I just wasn't too impressed with it. I tried it a little bit in the waterline, but once it started not transferring at all, like I wasn't getting any pigment right in there. So I was like, screw it, I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm not gonna jam this into my eyes right now and just hope I get pigment. So this for me has kind of been a fail, and this is $5, so you know. So many other good things in the box, I can't really be too mad about it. But let's see what other people are saying online. Maybe you guys loved it. Did you? Did you? Tell me. Cruelty-free Catacorn said, I love you so much, Boxycharm. But please stop sending us Jonce Blue stuff. It's horrible. It didn't even go into my waterline. Mine either. Mine either. But it made it feel like I was slicing it open with a scalpel. The lip liner we got before was similar. Please stop giving us this brand. Oh, and they replied and said, we are so sorry you don't like this product. We will be passing along the suggestion to our Boxy team for future Boxy ideas. Thank you, Boxycharm, for replying. That's nice. Smart G said that eyeliner is garbage. Ava said this pencil liner was so pretty, but I can't get it to show up. Any ideas? Yeah, somebody else said this is dry as hell. Mine was super dry too. Agree. Sam Hart says wasn't impressed with the eyeliner, but I loved everything else. That kind of sums it up for me too. Not a fan. And I live in a tiny house now, so I don't have time for this. Bye. The last thing in the box is something you guys know I've really liked this brand in the past, and this is the lip color I am wearing today. This is Oprah. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick. You guys know I love this. $21, and it's the price of the whole box, and we got so much. So this one lipstick is the price of the whole box. That's crazy. The shade I got was Verona. Not totally in love with it for this time of year for me. I like something a bit pinker, a bit more coral, or nude this time of year. It's just kind of more my jam. I don't dislike this though. I like how it goes on, but I also know I really like Oprah liquid lipsticks. I think they're great. Let's see what other people are saying online, but there's not really too much to say because you already know I like the brand, I like the consistency, I like the feel. Maya Macabre said, I have never tried Oprah liquid lipstick. She must be new to Boxycharm because we've definitely gotten these before in the box. And she said that I was iffy on the color, but ended up loving it so much because of the amazing formula. And that's just it. With Oprah, this isn't my favorite color ever. In the fall or winter it might be, but their formula is so fantastic you can't help but fall in love with it. Ooh, a couple people said theirs came broken, so maybe check your wands, ladies. Lexa says, this is the best lippy I have ever used, hands down. Long-lasting wear, and I can't even feel it, and the shade is gorgeous. I do love how it gives you a full color. It lasts a long time, and like literally, I'm doing this to see if I have a transfer or any problems. None, no problems. I love Oprah's formula. They do a great job. So Brenda said, I ate with it on and it's still perfect and it didn't feel dry. That's also something great. They said it doesn't feel like that too tight, dry lip. It's really fantastic. So let's just figure out how much this box is worth because we've got some amazing goodies for June. I know I'm in July now. Sorry for the wait. Everything we got in the box, the retail value is $134 and we only spend $21 a month on this baby. I'm obsessed with Boxycharm. You know it. Some of you have dubbed me the Boxycharm Queen because I go so deep into my Boxycharm videos and I do spin-off videos. And don't forget, I will have a quarterly Boxycharm review coming at you very soon. I'm still getting situated here in this beauty space, so please bear with me with this. But I always love to give you guys spoilers for next month's box. We are already in July and there's already been some amazing spoilers leaked. So if you do not like spoilers, bye friends, I will see you in the next video. But if you're ready, let's get going with this. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I am already so excited for this month's box. I can't wait. I'm trying to get back on a regular filming schedule for you. Please bear with me as I get into it, and eventually I will be giving you a beauty room tour of my new space because I know so many of you are interested, and don't worry, I have plenty of room for makeup. I saw a few comments going, where will your makeup go in the tiny house? Don't worry, I've got a whole system planned. Thank you guys so much for watching and your patience, and I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.